The boy with 1,000 questions. I've always had too many questions. Why is the sky blue? Where does the wind come from? Why do leaves change color in autumn? These thoughts fill my mind every day, and people often tell me, "You think too much." But I don't think that's a bad thing. I just want to understand the world. One summer afternoon, I sat by the river, throwing stones into the water. The sun reflected off the surface, making it sparkle like diamonds. As usual, my mind was racing. Why does the river flow this way and not the other? Does it ever stop? While I was lost in my thoughts, an old man with a long white beard and a walking stick came and sat next to me. "You look like you're thinking," he said, his voice calm and warm. "I am," I replied. "Why does the river always flow in one direction?" The man smiled, his eyes twinkling. "Because it knows where it's going," he said. "Do you know where you're going?" That question caught me off guard. I had never thought about where I was going. Life was full of questions, but I didn't know if I had any answers. "No," I admitted. "I just like asking." The man chuckled. "That's good. Questions are like keys. They open doors to new ideas. Keep asking, and one day, your questions will show you the way." We sat there in silence for a while, watching the river flow. His words stayed with me long after he left. Maybe I didn't need all the answers right now. Maybe, for now, it was enough to keep asking questions and trust that someday, the river of life would take me to the right place.